Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. Today we are going to do activities D, E and F of chapter number 6, the twins. So open your books on page number 36. Let's start. Activity D, match the words with their meanings. Here the word limb means a part of the body. Kith and kin means relative. Kith and kin means relatives. The word fearful means feeling or showing fear or anxiety. And the word fruitlessly mean without results or success. Now move to the activity E. Change the voice of the following. Here students, it is necessary to remember that first of all, when we are going to change the voice of any sentence, it is necessary to recognize the sentence. As we can see here, twins were being washed by the nurse. This sentence is already given in passive form and you will change it in active. The nurse was washing the twins. In the same way, he wrote a letter. We will change it. A letter was written by him. We can see the second form of verb wrote, so we will change it in third form. Always remember that in passive voice, all verbs are used in third form. John always speaks the truth. This sentence is given in present indefinite or simple indefinite tense. So we will use helping verbs is rm. The truth is always spoken by John. I puzzled my kith and kin. Here it is again second form is used, so we will change it. My kith and kin were puzzled by me. Our fatal likeness dodged us. Here us is given in objective case, so we will change it in we. We were dodged by our fatal likeness. So move to the next page. Phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition or adverb which creates a meaning different from the original verb. Here you can see the word drive is a verb and the word get is also a verb, but when off is put here, then it becomes a phrasal verb, drive off. Its meanings are also changed from the verb get on. Here the word get on also change the meaning, as if we see singularly in get, its meaning is different, but when we are using get on, it has different meaning. She got into the car and drove off. How did you get on in your examination? Now you will write by your own phrasal verbs and use these phrasal verbs in sentences. As we can say that the word put off, you may write put off. The word put off mean रद्द कर देना, टालना. Put on mean पहनना. Look after mean देखभाल करना. Break into mean डाका डालना, नकब लगाना. Turn down mean रद्द कर देना. Blew out mean बुझा देना. It is not necessary to write the same words, same phrasal verbs which I have told you. You may write it by your own, but you will use these words in sentences and you will mention the sentences here. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, thank you.